Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Sure, vacuum cleaners remove the dry dust, hair, lint and grit from carpets and furniture. But what about the stains from spilled wine, food mishaps, and kid and pet messes? For that, you'll need a carpet cleaner. A wet carpet cleaner or carpet shampooer washes carpets and upholstery using water, a cleaning solution and suction to dissolve stains and remove the stuck-on dirt that regular vacuuming can't. You could call a professional cleaning service, but if your home has lots of carpeting and upholstery, a carpet cleaner is a worthwhile investment that is less costly over time. Plus, you'll be able to tackle messes as they happen so stains don't set in and become tougher to remove. In the Good Housekeeping Institute Home Care and Cleaning Lab, our experts clean a lot of carpets and floors every year while evaluating the best cordless stick vacuums, vacuum cleaners, steam mops, and more. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best carpet cleaners in 2023. For you, the link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner.
Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Outcleans the leading rental. Get professional grade cleaning results. Power rating 12 amps. XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush. 8 rows of bristles penetrate carpet fibers to loosen and lift embedded dirt. 9-foot long reach hose and 6 inches tough stain tool. Easily clean stairs, upholstery, and hard to reach areas. Use with Bissell Pro Max Clean with Protect formula. Remove tough, ground and dirt and stains. 2 large tanks. Keep clean and dirty water separate while cleaning. Adjustable handle. Select the height that is comfortable for you.
Number 2. Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet Cleaner.
Achieve ultimate portability with this lightweight design to reach and remove stains virtually anywhere. Spray, scrub, and remove anything from pet messes to everyday mishaps. Easily reach spots and stains on carpet, upholstery, stairs, and more with a 5-feet hose. Flushes the hose after each use to help remove dirt and bacteria. Keep clean and dirty water separate so you can easily fill, empty, and rinse the tanks. Rubber nub tool and trial size solution. Antimicrobial multipurpose tool protects against bacteria, mold, and mildew forming in the tool.
Number 1. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Carpet Cleaner.
Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Amperage 6.8 amps. Engineered to be our best and most powerful carpet cleaning system for the toughest pet stains and odors. Even removes skunk odor. Can be used on bare floors. Max Clean Mode. Packing in 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes. It delivers professional grade cleaning to remove deep down embedded stains, dirt, and odors. Express Clean Mode. Delivers dry carpets in about 30 minutes. Attack the toughest stains. Activate the Clean Shock Pre-Treater to deliver a concentrated stream of cleaning solution right where you need it.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.